How to install Directv on Vizio Smart TV. I'm going to tell you how to install Directv Stream on your Vizio Smart Television. If your Vizio uses SmartCast, you won't find any Directv Stream app in the App Store. Instead, you'll use built-in casting. First, make sure both your TV and phone are on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the DirecTV Stream app on your iPhone or Android, start a video, and tap the cast icon. Then select your Vizio TV from the list. The stream will appear on your TV automatically. You can also cast from a laptop using Google Chrome. Go to stream.directv.com, click the three dots in the browser, choose Cast, and select your TV. If your Vizio model supports the Google Play Store or Amazon App Store, like Vizio Smart TVs with newer OS, search and install DirecTV Stream directly. But for most models, casting is the way to go.